How to create flash blur transition in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag and drop an adjustment clip above your videos in timeline. Now right-click on the adjustment clip and select Change Clip Duration. Click on the 1 second button and click Change. Place the adjustment clip in the center of 2 clips. Make sure the playhead is above the adjustment clip, click on it, and open up the Fusion page. Drag a brightness and contrast node and release it above the line after it turns blue. Now move the red playhead to the start of the timeline. Click on the diamond button next to Gain to add a keyframe. Move the playhead to the center. Because I use 24 frames footage, the middle is 12 frames for me. Increase the gain all the way up, this will create the second keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and set gain back to 1. And now we have this nice flash transition. Now let's add some blur to it. Drag a blur node and release it on the line after brightness and contrast node. Make sure to release it when the line is turned blue. Move the red playhead to the start of the timeline again. Set blur size to 0 and click on diamond button next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the middle and set blur size to around 30. Move the playhead to the end and set blur size to 0. Now go back to the edit page and we have a flash transition with blur. We can drag this adjustment clip into the media pool for later uses. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.